Good day everyone. So we are at the backyard and it's about 8 o'clock in the evening, and I have decided to give you a quick tour here in our small backyard garden. I am so amazed with this lilium that I planted just this spring. It looks so huge and beautiful. And this is my powwow echinacea. It's a powwow white echinacea, and they just started to bloom. We are at the end of July now, and as you can see, the color of the blueberries are changing. That means we have some nights here that are getting colder, and it causes the leaves of the blueberries to change. This is a type of a marigold, and this one is very special to me. This is where it came from, the Philippines, and I am so excited to see the bloom of this flower. And same with this one right here. It looks so beautiful. This is one of the pots that I have made in the beginning of the spring. We have the creeping Jenny right here, and then the purple petunia. I just cut all of this down, and now these are the new blooms that are coming out. They are starting to get leggy, so I have just trimmed all of it, and then now it has a new bloom. This is the calla lily. It's done blooming now, and this is my favorite bird bath. The birds love to have a bath here every early morning. I think it's because it is very shallow. That's why you feel safe on this one. And this is my beautiful hippo here in the garden. This water fountain right here, it brings a lot of birds, butterflies, bees. They come in here and take a drink, and the robins love and love to have a splash here too. That's the clematis right here on my trellis. They are done blooming now. And there's just a daisy here as well. It is very quiet evening here at the backyard. Look, all those Annabelle hydrangeas at the back. The blooms are so huge. And this is the zinnias. I have planted it in the pot from seeds. And there's the other one here. Hummingbird love this flower. They come here in the afternoon and then just come and enjoy it. And here's another bird bath that we have in here, that all the birds love to come here. We have finches, robins, and sparrows that comes here every day. They really enjoy this one in here. Earlier we harvested a tons of raspberry here. There's so many fruits in there, and still I have to get through the back. It's hard to reach at the back, but I manage. Those daisies look gorgeous with my bird, but you know what the bird does in here? They will land right over here, so they would have to do their splashing and bathing, and right after that they'll eat some of the ants on this flower. This is the rose campion. This is a volunteer plant. The seeds will drop and then you'll have new plants next year. Mr. Rabbit's over here with Creeping Jenny on his back. And I really like that. It looks nice. This is another plant right here that it just started to bloom. And the seeds came from the Philippines as well. Look. So pretty. I forget the name of it. So in the afternoon, after I do some cleaning up in here, I would sit on that bench, have a tea, and just relax, listening to all the birds, the water fountain. It's just a very nice, relaxing afternoon. And these are my lamb's ear. The texture of this, the leaves of the plant is very, very soft. It's so nice to touch. And then, right in the middle, I have my jeans monk rose. And I see that it's starting to bloom again, and there's new growth everywhere. Here are the snapdragons. I just cleaned this up. It's done blooming, so I trimmed it so that it will rebloom again. This is one of the hydrangea that I trained it into a tree form. Look. And it's doing great. More of the Shasta daisy in here. And one of my clematis that are blooming in the summer, but I think it got hit by cold one night, and now the leaves are changing color. You see? I want to show you one of my dahlia in here. Look at the beautiful dahlia. This is planted from a pot, and it's just starting to bloom. There's few bloom right here, and it look amazing. Let's go to the pathway in here. So right here is the I think this is I forgot the name. A topaz jewel rose. Yes, this is a topaz jewel rose. Look how bushy it is. I just planted it last spring, so it's just 1 year old. So it blooms in early summer, and then it rests for a little bit, and then now I am so surprised because there is so many new blooms again right here. So you can see if we get closer, right in here you see there's a new bloom again, and there's so many of them. I noticed that there's some few bites from, I don't know what is eating it, but what I did is I just went and grabbed a water mixed with baking soda, a little bit of baking soda and soap, and I just spray them and see, let's see what happened, but not too strong, otherwise it will get burnt. And then this is another rose in here. This is the Westerland rose, and there is so many new growth again. And I want to show you my walkway. So here in the walkway, I planted some creeping jenny on the side. Here, take a look, see? And my plan is for the creeping jenny to crawl where the rocks is, and I think it's gonna look nice because look, it's starting to crawl now. There you go. And same here on this side as well. I really like the bright color in it. It's like lightening up the walkway. So I'm excited how it goes next year. So in this area right here, I mean in this bed, in this area, I'm going to do it this fall. I'm going to move around some plants. I think I'm going to add one more rose right there in the middle. I bought a rose which is the what is it? Let me see the name here. Let me see. I bought this rose. It's a shrub rose. Lynchfield Angel from David Austin. So I bought that recently, and I am planning to plant it over on that side because in this walkway I have like 4 roses already, so I would like it to be my rose area. It would be beautiful for the early summer, so I will have different color of rose that would bloom on that time. And I want to show you another sitting area that we have in here. So this is another sitting area. It's all wet. I just clean up here. And my little kitchen garden. So look at my tools are all hanging in there. It's very accessible when I need it. Last year, this is painted as a, I think, red color. Painted it again with gray and it looks nice. The beans are starting to crawl all the way to the top. And my cucumbers as well are climbing up too. I have some cucumber in there, a squash over there, and more beans. This is a very tiny space. But I have many plants in here. I have tomatoes in these trailers here. And down below I have beets, peppers, carrots, and kale, Swiss chard, dill. I think, what else? Onions. And here I am starting to grow echinacea from seeds and rudbeckia. And then I have the what's the name of this one right here? I forgot. Sweet Williams. There you go. I started it from seeds, so that would be ready to plant this fall. Here I have the cosmos that I planted from seeds. And the marigold. That area right there, it's still in progress. I have some annuals right there that would bloom pretty soon. Maybe next month, I think. By end of, maybe mid of August, I would have nice blooms right there. But anyways, I think that's all for today. You have a wonderful evening. And thank you so much for watching my video. And if you are not subscribed yet, please consider to subscribe. Once again, thank you very much and have a good day. Bye for now.